That is my Super Mario birthday.
And how old are you? Show me.
4.
4. Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and this is Dylan, and it's his 4th birthday, and he wanted a Super Mario Kart birthday cake. He picked it out himself, and I'm gonna show you how I put it together. It's that time of year. It's March Madness in my house, and first up is Dylan. He's turning 4, and he wanted a Super Mario Kart birthday party. So he picked out his cake. He wanted chocolate cake, and he picked out all the decorations and how he wanted it. So I'm just making it happen. And I have a cake. I made the chocolate cake. I have sprinkles. I'm gonna put them in the middle and just vanilla frosting, and then I'm gonna decorate it. So I did not have a cake board. I completely forgot to order cake boards. So I had to make my own, improvise with a cardboard box and some tape. This is all gonna be covered, so it's not gonna be seen in the end result. So I'm ready to put these sprinkles. I want to cut the cake, and when I cut it, the sprinkles come cascading down. So that's what I'm going to do. And these sprinkles emulate what Mario Brothers is. So they have little stars, little coins, and a lot of little colors, and some hearts for Princess Peach, and so on and so forth. So I'm gonna first take a cutter and make a indentation and remove that part, and then dump the sprinkles in to the first 2 layers. And then the top layer, I'm not gonna make the indentation. It'll just be plain. And then I'll frost the ends, and then I'm gonna cover it in fondant and do all the decorations. So here we go. I can't wait for Dylan to cut into this cake and be completely surprised. Now to put the top. Now I'm gonna brush off all the crumbs and do a crumb coat layer, and then put the fondant over it and start decorating. Normally, this is not as messy. A little bit messy, but not as messy. I haven't made a cake for a while since we're living during COVID times. I haven't been really making any cakes, so I don't have a lot of the supplies with me, unfortunately. And I thought I did. I thought I had enough things, but the piping bags that I usually use to cover my cake and make it smoother and do all that and make my process easier, I didn't have. So I'm doing all this by hand, like the old days when I first started, which I didn't have a lot of the equipment and I was just learning as I go. So I'm remembering those days, and now I know why buying all that other stuff made my life much easier with baking. But it is what it is. It's just one cake. I'm gonna order everything so that the next time I don't have this issue. Cake is covered. I'm gonna put it in the fridge so it can set while I roll out the fondant and start decorating. I just finished covering the cake with the black and the blue, which is the predominant colors of the cake and the biggest area that it's gonna cover. Let me show you the picture of the cake that my son picked out. And he was very specific that he wanted mushrooms in his cake. And he has these little cars. So I'm gonna put them on there. He wanted the cars that he already owns on there. Normally I would have probably sculpted them, but he saved me time because he wanted his own little cars that he has. So I'm gonna be using them in the cake, just like that. Normally, I color my own white fondant with food coloring or gel colors, but I wanted to save time as well. And I just got this pack of different colored fondant because it's a lot of little details and a lot of little different colored things. So to save me the time, I just picked this up. I ordered it and I did curbside pickup and it was ready in like in an hour. So that was a time saver for me. So I got red, blue, green, and yellow. Primary colors, all the colors for Mario Brothers. Okay, let's see.
Drum roll, please.
What's in there?
All the coins of the Mario.
You got Mario coins in your cake. Yeah!
As you can see, Dylan loved the cake, although he mentioned that it didn't have enough mushrooms. You win some, you lose some. But it was delicious. The confetti effect was spectacular and he really, really loved it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you some ideas of how to make your own themed cake. So please make sure you to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. See you next time.